In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under the subtopic Development, Merchant and Mortgage Bank in Financial Institutions. So we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a manufacturer who wants to build a new plant will source funds from the real money market, commercial banks, capital market, government. So the right answer is option C, which is capital market, because the capital market is a market that gives out long-term money. Okay, so the next question is this one. It says a discount house is a market where various bills are exchanged. Short-term and medium-term loans are obtained. Short-term loans are obtained, shares are bought and sold. So the right answer to this question is short-term loans are obtained. Okay, that's the correct answer to this question. Next repeated question is this one. It says stocks and shares as well as bonds are examples of instruments used in real commodity market, capital market, money market, security market. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, which is capital market. Okay, next question is this one. It says insurance companies, pension and provident funds and unit trusts are all examples of real government financial agencies, non-governmental organizations, non-bank financial institutions, rural-based revenue mobilizers. The right answer is option C, which is non-bank financial institutions. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the stock exchange is a market for the buying and selling of real new shares, monetary instruments, existing shares, treasury bills. The right answer is option C, which is existing shares. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says long-term loan can be secured from, we have discount houses, we have acceptance houses, development banks, commercial banks. So the right answer is option C, which is development banks. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says long-term fund of investment projects are sourced from the commodity market, capital market, foreign exchange market, money market. The right answer is option B, which is capital market. Very important. The next question is this one. It says the capital market provides business firms with the avenue to lease capital equipment, purchase capital equipment, obtain short-term funds, obtain long-term funds. The right answer is option D, obtain long-term funds. So when you hear capital market in economics or in commerce, basically it refers to a market that gives out long-term funds. Okay, the next question is this one. It says the stock market is where businessmen borrow some capital, stocks and other securities are bought and sold. Risking bonds and stocks are traded. The federal government trades on treasury bills. The right answer is option B, which is the stock market is where stocks and other securities are bought and sold. Next question is this one. It says short-term loans for investment are usually obtained through the real development bank, stock market, money market, capital market. The right answer is option C, which is money market. So when you hear money market, it's talking about a market that gives out short-term fund or loan for investments. Okay, next question is this one. So guys, before I attempt this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. We really appreciate this. So this question says the non-bank financial institutions that are entrusted with workers' contributions towards retirement are real pension funds administrators, investment companies, mortgage institutions, pension funds custodians. The right answer is option A, which is pension funds administrators. Alright, next question is this one. It says the regulatory authority of the capital market in Nigeria is the Real Stock Exchange Market, Central Bank, Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation, Securities and Exchange Commission. The right answer is option D, which is Securities and Exchange Commission. Very important. The next question is this one. It says insurance companies invest mainly in instruments traded on the real capital market, open market, commodity market, money market. So guys, the right answer to this question is option A, which is capital market. Alright, the next question is this one. It says the distinguishing characteristic between the money market and the capital market lies in whether the securities are in debentures of ordinary shares. Funds mobilized are private or public. Debts instruments provided are long-term or short-term. Securities are primary or secondary. Right answer is option C. Debt instruments provided are long-term or short-term. Okay. The next question is this one. You say the capital market is a market for trading of financing assets such as we have commercial papers, treasury bills, long-term securities, bankers' acceptances. Right answer is option C, which is long-term securities. The next question is this one. It says life insurance companies contribute to economic development by holding a part of their assets in their short-term financial instruments, cash and near money, money market instrument, long-term financial institutions. The right answer is option D, which is long-term financial institutions. Next question is this one. It says life insurance companies contribute to economic development by holding. I think it's a repeated question. The right answer here is still option C for this question, long-term financial institutions. Next question is this one. It says the primary function of non-bank financial institutions is to receive deposits from banks, grant loans to banks, mobilize savings for investments. We have manage investment portfolios for government. So guys, the primary function of non-bank financial institutions is to, a typical example is insurance company, so it's to mobilize savings for investments. Okay, option C. The next question is this one. It says mortgage banks give loans to investors on long-term basis to we have finance agriculture, establish bank, build houses, acquire machinery. The right answer is option C, which is to build houses. The last question for end this video is this one. It says in order to develop the banking habits of rural dwellers, the traditional money lender should be we have subsidized, heavily taxed, prescribed, legalized. The right answer is option D, which is legalized. So guys, this basically can do problems under development, merchant and mortgage bank in financial institution for your JAMB economy. Practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button. You'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.